How to apply for an Infinite Money Card. If you have referral link, go to www.infin8money.com. Click on Apply Now. Select the language you want. Choose the card you want to purchase, plastic standard card or metallized infinity card with 2 color options, black and white. Click on Next. From the drop-down menu, select one option. Select I have a referral link. This referral link you will get from the exclusive Go Global member. Enter the referral link. Fill in the required details in the form, including name, email, country, phone number, and click on the Submit button. You get an OTP on your registered email. Enter the OTP and click on Validate OTP. Select the quantity of card you want to buy, plastic standard card, metal infinity white card, or metal infinity black card. Click on Buy Now. Select from the available payment methods BTC, ETH, ERC20, USDC, ERC20, USDT, ERC20. Click on Buy Now. Copy the address or scan the QR code to complete the purchase. Click on Confirm. Your purchase has been successfully completed. Welcome to the new era of convenience and experience infinite possibilities.